In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to a previous version on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, if you're experiencing issues with the most current version of Microsoft Teams, reverting to an earlier version may help restore stability or functionality. The first step involves uninstalling the current version of the application from your device. If you're using a Windows machine, begin by opening your Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu search bar. Once you're in the Control Panel, navigate to the Programs section and click on Programs and Features. Here, you will see a list of all installed applications. Locate Microsoft Teams in this list, select it, and click on the Uninstall button. This will remove the current version from your system entirely. If you're using a Mac, the process is slightly different. Head over to your Applications folder, which you can find in Finder. Inside the Applications folder, scroll through to find Microsoft Teams. Once you've located it, simply drag it to the trash, or right-click and select Move to Trash to delete it. And there you have it. The latest version of Teams has been removed. Now, the next step is to find a previous version of Microsoft Teams. It's crucial that you visit a trusted software archive website. These sites host older versions of software safely. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to enter Microsoft Teams. Browse through the search results to find archived versions of the application. Make sure to identify the specific version you need, ensuring it is compatible with your operating system. Once you've found the version you want, it's time to download the installer. Simply click on the appropriate link on the archive site to start downloading the installer file for that older version to your computer. With the installer downloaded, you're ready to begin the installation process. Locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to execute it. Follow the prompts. This is straightforward and similar to installing any other application. After installing the older version, you may want to adjust the settings to prevent Microsoft Teams from immediately updating back to the latest version. To do this, open the Teams application. Once it's open, go to the Settings menu. You can usually find the update options by navigating to the Help section. Look for Check for Updates or something similar. Here, you should find an option to disable automatic updates. Turn this off to stop Teams from downloading updates without your consent. And that's it. You've successfully reverted to an earlier version of Microsoft Teams. Remember that using older software may expose you to bugs or security issues, so keep that in mind as you use the application. Always check for compatibility and make sure that your workflow continues smoothly. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget